Hi, this is Vikrant Athole. I am partner of OOB Consulting, and we have designed this software VRiddhi for machine estimation. Okay, before you start actually using this software, you need to understand the workflow, how the software is actually working. So, very first of all, you will have his customers. This customers can have his multiple address. Maybe this multiple address could have his multiple persons, as you see over here. Then this persons will be having his projects under them. Under this projects, you will be having the number of parts. Say, I have received 10 parts from contact person number 1 or maybe contact person number 2. Then I will make it as a project, like I could give that project a name, and those 10 parts could come under that specific project itself. Then every part will be having its own setups, and the setups will be having its own operation. So this sequence we are going to follow throughout the software. So this helps us in accumulating the data in such a way wherein we could, whenever we need some kind of information, it is just available by some clicks over here and there. So this is how the workflow works. This we wanted to know you before you start working and start acting on how to use this software. So after this, my recommendation is you start having the look on how to add, modify, delete, and read the data what we are accumulated over here, or what we are going to input in this software. So we call this a CRUD, which is pronounced as CRUD. So after this video, just watch that CRUD video wherein we will show you how to add in each and every sections of customers, addresses, contact person, project, parts, and then we will run into setups and operation. So thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.